Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to tell you how to add more RAM to Java. So first, you're going to want to start, control panel, click on programs. Now click here on Java, and a screen should pop up in a second. And what you want to do is go over to Java, and right here, click View. Now, make sure you only have one of these. And right here under runtime parameters, I want to paste this in. I'll put this in the description. And what this is like, tells you how much RAM, like data from your RAM you could put into Java. So this is the minimum amount, which if you put nothing in 0, which that's what you should leave it to, and here's the maximum. So first you're going to see how much RAM your computer even has. I only have 1 gig because I'm using a laptop, but I did add virtual RAM. So in case you guys don't know how to do that, I'll put a link in right here in the video to show you how to add RAM to your computer without taking it apart. So I want to find a right amount to put in there. Since I only have 1 gig, I'm not going to put all my RAM in there. And this is how much megabytes is in a RAM. 1024. Yeah, so this is how much is in a gig. So this right here is a gig in megabytes. So use this if you want to. That's a good reference. So I'm about to add about half of that. So get that real quick. I don't think you can do that, yeah, so I'll just put about 500. Okay, and enter this code in, and copy it. Insert, oh, I forgot you can't do that, okay, so you have to enter it now. / capital X, Xincgc X and about 5, and click OK. And that's all that is. And you don't have to restart your computer for this to take effect, but it's always good to usually do that, so I would do it. If you like the video, comment, rate, subscribe.